Welcome to episode 3. Today, we conquer the wall push-up, the foundational step of your zero-equipment upper body journey. Think you need to drop to the front to the floor to build a powerful chest, strong shoulders, and healthy elbows? Think again. Most people skip this step because it looks too easy. But they are missing out on the secrets of kinetic chain tension. This movement isn't just about pressing, it's about conditioning your tendons and joints to bear weight without painful impact.
Let's set up. Stand arm's length from the wall, feet together. Place your palms flat, slightly wider than your shoulders. Before you bend your elbows, apply the bracing sequence. Lock your core, squeeze your glutes, and screw your feet down. Slowly lower your chest toward the wall over a 3-second count. 3. Squeeze your glutes. Keep your elbows tucked close to your rib cage.
Pause for 1 second when your forehead gently touches the wall, feeling the active stretch across your chest. Do not let your hips sag or your head crane forward. Your body must move like a solid, unbroken plank. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions. If this feels too easy, slow down the tempo to increase your time under tension.
Mastering this control now guarantees you will stay completely injury-free when we transition to much harder push-up variations. Practice this sequence today. Leave a comment below with how your shoulders felt when practicing perfect kinetic tension. Subscribe to lock in your foundation. In our next video, we will modify the wall angle to increase the difficulty.
Align your body, build your power, and stay resilient. See you tomorrow for episode 4.